Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to delete the coupon. So let's see how can we delete the coupon. So first of all, go to the coupon controller. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here let's open coupon controller. Now inside this controller, let's create here a new function. So write here public function and function name, which is coupon underscore delete, and pass here one argument, which is coupon id, and its data type, which is int. And inside this function, first of all, let's fetch here the coupon according to this the coupon id. Okay, so write here the model name coupon colon find or fail method, and inside this method just pass here the coupon id. Okay, and after fetching the coupon id, just call here the delete method. So write here $coupon arrow delete, and after deleting the coupon, just return and redirect to the admin.coupons route. Okay, with this success message, add here the success key and message coupon deleted successfully. Alright, now save this. Now let's create a route for this function. So go to the routes directory and then web.php, and here after this let's create here a new route. So write here route colon delete, add here the URI admin/coupon -delete, and pass here the route parameter, which is coupon underscore id, then controller name coupon controller, function name, which is coupon underscore delete, and then route name, which is admin.coupon.delete. Okay, now save this, and now go to the coupons view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, admin, and from here let's open coupons.play.php file. And inside this file, inside this for each, you can see here this is the delete button. So before this button, let's add here a form. So just write here form id is equal to delete dash form dash, put here the coupon id. So write here double curly bracket $coupon arrow id, and inside the action just put here the route admin.coupon.delete, and also pass here the route parameter, which is coupon id. So inside the big bracket just write here coupon id arrow $coupon arrow id method post, and inside the form just add here the @csrf directive, then method directive, and inside this method directive just pass here the method name, which is delete. Okay, and after this button just close the form, and now inside this button just add here the type is equal to button. And now here let's add here a confirmation model. So for that, go to the template repository and just go inside the admin folder, then open coupons.php file, and from here let's copy this model. Okay, so just select and copy and go back to the coupons view file, and after this closing main tag just paste here. And now let's add here some JavaScript. So from the template repository file, let's copy this script. Okay, so just like this, copy and paste here. And now inside this JavaScript, let's add here inside this onclick event, inside this callback function, just remove this if and add this one. If coupon id to delete, then first fetch here the form and then submit. Okay, and now let's call this delete coupon function from the button on click event. So here from this button let's call this function delete coupon. Inside this delete button just add here on click event and then call here the delete coupon function, and inside this function just pass here this and then coupon code. So write here double curly bracket $coupon arrow code. Okay, and then pass here the coupon id. So write here double curly bracket coupon arrow id. Okay, alright, and from this form just remove this one. Now save this. Now it's done, so let's check. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Now let's delete the coupon. So just click on this delete icon and you can see here the confirmation dialog box. Okay, if I click on cancel, it's not deleted. Now let's click one more time, and this time just click on delete, and you can see here coupon deleted successfully. This video covers delete coupon. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.